Hello, friends. Today we are more worried about COVID 19 due to new strain Omicron. Omicron is a fast spreading strain of coronavirus. Now, the cases are increasing in India, and many states in India, including Delhi, is worried and trying to implement more restriction and lockdown. Let me tell you, no one in the world can stop the spread of corona. It is at all not possible. Now, even then, why the government is putting restriction? The main reason is that although corona is a very mild meaning is that means it is a comparatively as compared to delta virus 10 times less virulence. But even then, few people have not taken vaccine and few people are comorbid. So, Omicron may damage or the death rate may be among the comorbid people and non-vaccinated people. And there may be the burden on hospitals or health facilities. So government is putting restriction. Now, whether lockdown will be implemented, it will never be implemented because now government knows the disadvantages of the lockdown. There will be increase in restrictions. This restriction will never stop the spread of Omicron but only slower the rate of spreading of the Omicron. And in Delta virus, during Delta virus spread, the maximum number of cases were more than 4,50,000 per day in India, but never reached 5 lakh per day. But as a microbiologist, I guess that very soon in India, there will be more than 10 lakh cases per day. Now, is there third wave? Yes, there will be third wave, but third wave will be only of infection. Third wave will not be of the death. Third wave will not be of hospitalization. Now, little more hospitalization will be there, but not like Delta virus. Why more hospitalization? Again, I am reiterating that some people are comorbid, so Omicron may harm to the comorbid people only. But the healthy people who has taken vaccine both the doses need not to worry. And again, I would like to tell you, the spread of Omicron is a beneficial to the human being because after Omicron spread is complete, then we'll recover and all people in India will be immunized for coronavirus. So, on another part, it is one type of vaccine. So, today need not to be panic and don't watch the TV. They are counting every day and telling every day it's a breaking news. So it is going to spread. 10 lakh cases per day may happen in India and will happen in India. But need not to worry more. Take precautions, take vaccine, use mask, use sanitizer. Thank you. Thank you very much.